All right, for number 19, I did the same thing I did with number 18. I hit my y equals 2 button, and then I typed in this equation. It looks so much better when I use my highlighter. I typed this equation into y sub 1, and then I went and hit, zoom 6, which is the Z standard. And on this one, get a brighter color, like yellow, you can clearly see it crosses right here at 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 4. This one, I don't know. I am not sure. So what I will do is I will do part calculator, part factoring. Okay, these types of trinomials always factor out to be two binomials. And I know that this one right here, this point is the number 4. I know that x is equal to a 4. So if I were to subtract 4 on both sides, this would become x minus 4 equals 0, which means this is one of my factors. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to stick x minus 4 in there so that I can unfoil the rest of it. I'm going to think through backwards, if you will. So because this is a 3x squared, this is my first term, that comes from first times first. So if this one is an x, this one has to be a 3x, because x times 3x is 3x squared. And then I'm going to go to the back end. Come on, green. There we go. Where I have the minus 4. And minus 4 comes from last times last. And since this is a negative 4, a minus 4, this has to be a positive 1. Because negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4. And that gives me my other factor. So I already know that this one right here, this is x is equal to 4. That's what I see, right here in the graph. And then the other one is, well, when is 3x plus 1? When does that equal 0? So I would subtract the 1 on both sides. That gives me a 3x is equal to a negative 1. And then divide off the 3. And so x, because remember, 3 over 3 cancels out. So I'm left with x is equal to a negative 1/3. That's my other answer. And if you come back and look at this one here, it's between, this is negative 1 and that is 0. And you're just like, right there. So negative 1/3 sounds about right to me. So those are my answers. My answers are, man, boop, there we go. The x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 1/3.